me like. Hi guys. Good morning. So I just got ready because I'm gonna go to the city today, but as you can see I'm still wearing my PJs because I did not put on an outfit yet, obviously. So I'm gonna go with this brown fluffy top, and let me see what I'm gonna put underneath it. I'll show you guys. Alright, here we have outfit option number 1. I'm gonna wear this with white sneakers. I'm not sure if I like this. Let's try on something else. What do you guys think about this? This is a lot more cute, right? But I would of course have to wear panties and also my white sneakers. This one, or maybe this skirt instead. Like this. Or this. I think this one is the cutest. Yeah. We're gonna go for this one. I think... I'm not sure. You'll see. Alright, so I am gonna go with this outfit, but I wore a turtleneck underneath it so that I'm not cold AF. And I hope we can get like a cute picture today. I'm gonna put on some jewelry. Of course. Since you cannot see my neck, I will only put on earrings. I always wear these ones. These are from Ana Luisa. I mentioned them before in other videos, or in another video. This is my go-to nowadays because it's just cute. My hair is so static because of this thing. Like, it's literally... Ugh, if you get what I mean. We arrived in Rotterdam. We ordered souffle pancakes, fluffy Japanese pancakes, and we're gonna pick them up right now, and then we're gonna find a place to eat them. Ooh, we got the goods. We got 3 of them, so we can share one, and we both have one. I always get the matcha one, and we have the toppings here. We drove to Kralingsbos because I want to take a picture here, but we're also gonna watch the deers, the waters out in the nature. It's pretty busy here, a lot of cars. We are here. Hello. We also got some birds over here. Look at them birds. We're at the water again. It's really busy, but I'm gonna try and take a picture here, outfit picture, while everyone is watching me. We are at my brother's house right now because I had to go to the toilet to pee. TMI. So now we ordered food and we're gonna pick it up in a bit, and then we're gonna drive home to my house and we're gonna eat. just in time because Yui also has to get home before curfew, which is 9 p.m. So we have the time to now get the food, drive home, eat, and then he has to go around 8 p.m. ish. What a day, what a day, what a day, guys. I also bought something at the Asian supermarket. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. It's very cute. I'm waiting for Yui right now. He's picking up the food that we ordered from Bubbles, and I'm just in the car waiting. And after that we're gonna drive home, and I'm super hungry, so I can't wait. Ooh, someone's gonna park next to me. Look at him run. Running man. The food. Gotta open my bubble tea. Heel pleasure. Look at this meal. Wow! Indian food, Korean food, and my parents are eating sushi. Hello! Video, Pop. Indian. It's their first time eating this. Korean and Indian. Okay, let me show you what I got from the Asian supermarket. It's not necessarily random, but I don't know. It's random because I got this, and this is like, originally I think it's for like sake or something, like certain Asian alcohol. But for me, I'm just gonna use it for my normal alcohol basically because I don't drink sake. But I figured I wanted like new cute shot glasses because the ones that we have right now at home are like these very standard shot glasses that just don't feel nice to drink out of. So I figured I'd buy these small ones, and I bought 4 of them. And then I also wanted this one to make it like a full-on set. And like, for example, if we're gonna shot like soju or I don't know, whatever drink we're gonna shot, I can just pour it in here. And then I don't know, it's just, it feels like if I would drink it out of this, I would enjoy it more, if you get what I mean. So I have 4 in total, and then it's a whole with this one. Cute, right? I wanted to do a lot of things right now. I wanted to film a new intro to another vlog that I'm preparing. I wanted to finish editing the video that I'm gonna upload tonight, and I just wanted to chill, but I'm so tired. I'm so tired, so I'm just gonna take a nap. Honestly, I'm just gonna take my makeup off and I'm gonna take a nap. And then after, once I wake up again from my nap, I will do all this. But for now, I need to sleep. I'm so tired. Ah! I took a nap and I'm still tired. So instead of pushing myself to finish the video and upload it, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I'm just gonna get back to bed and sleep. I need some rest. Okay. Thank you all for watching this vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Good night.